One of the difficulties when you're a survivor is how to explain the world that you're in, and the world as you now see it is different. When you haven't had a brain injury, you don't even appreciate the world around you. You're just in it, and you understand the signs on the road, the shopping people around you. When you've had a brain injury, these things, is that whole know has gone, so the world you know has also gone. So you kind of walk through it in a bit of a daze. You're not really sure what's going on. Things jump out at you. Noise is something that is so frustrating and hard to deal with. Colours are really hard to deal with. And everyday interactions, something as easy as going to a supermarket, becomes a task that you dread. So not using words particularly, lots and lots of words, information, etc., but using a story that has characters in the story, and those characters will explain the emotions, the feelings, how it is to live in that world. To put what I would call a know bag, so everything that you did know but can't quite connect to is in the know bag. And you can pull that character out of the know bag and say, this is how I'm feeling. All I want is a big hug. Can you just give me a hug, please, and tell me everything is going to be all right. What I think is an essential part of this project is creating something tangible, because if you've lost your voice, it's very easy to disappear. You can become invisible because you can't articulate what you want to say to the person there. So that person who you're showing will understand the story and the character, and perhaps be able to say, okay, that's fine, don't worry, we can do that, whatever it is that person's feeling. Or to acknowledge the fact that that person is feeling really angry. They can't explain why, because the no has gone to be able to explain why you're angry. But at least the other person can say, that's fine, I understand you're angry, that is fine. And not take it personal. It's really the person that you are facing, the survivor that you're facing, is not the person they were. That person's disappeared. And at the moment, all you're looking at is the raw anger, emotions, frustration, with nothing attached to them at all. It's all a mess. It's all a jigsaw that has been thrown up in the air and landed, and you have no idea what the picture is. The story is going to help us as survivors, along with the carers, understand the picture through the story.